Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I brought you out into nature with me. Warm up with me by the campfire. Just look at the beauty here. We went out to the lake for a feed today. We're fishing, and at the same time I want to show you an update on my coin ticket fight deal right now. This deal is bringing in $3,155. As you remember from this deal, I wanted to earn $10,000. This is my 63rd goal on the list. I earned over $10,000 on one deal. Yes, I had such a deal already this year, but I haven't shown this deal publicly anywhere and wanted to show it publicly. You know, this deal on FitFile. Generally, I attempt to avoid publishing or displaying my midterm transactions on YouTube or Telegram. You know, I'm just afraid, like someone will jinx it. It's just like there's some kind of phobia, but it's, purely on a psychological level. Many individuals inquire as to why you do not trade large amounts there, why you do not demonstrate. Gentlemen, it is simply one thing to trade, another to demonstrate. The third is to manage all of this. Currently, Bitcoin is undergoing a correction. As you can see, FitFile coins have also gone into such a deep correction. Plus, when we went out into nature, there's absolutely no desire to trade anymore. I told you that FitFile coins might be warming up before the news in the previous video. I showed you that this deal was bringing us $28,200 in profits. It probably would have been wise to close it at that moment, but I still understood that we had time until August 15th. Today is August 14th. Maybe this coin will be pushed tomorrow. Maybe it was already pushed yesterday, and maybe they won't push it anywhere now, and it will just gradually fall to the bottom. I don't know this, nobody knows this, but you can evaluate the Step Up project and their websites. Let me just show you visually. The websites are really just one pages. I personally thought they would somehow develop their project. Yes, they have a plethora of news being released from that location. Well, darn, you simply observe the website. I mean, it's such an impressive site. Seriously, I could easily create a site like that on Tilda. Well, I won't say in 10 minutes, but in 2 hours I could definitely create a site similar to that. You see, even these simple overlays. I am not saying the project is bad, the idea itself is cool, the implementation should also be cool, but the way everything is presented, how it all works there, well, I do not know. Of course, my internet is a bit weak here too, to browse the entire site, but in reality, everything is very raw, and a lot of time has passed since the token listing. Something could have been done by now. I wonder if they are actively working on improving it and addressing the feedback they receive. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe these websites aren't the most important thing, but when you enter their decks, when you enter their launchpad, well, everything looks extremely off. As much as I don't want to clutter up, I also entered this coin at 0.19. Personally, I thought I would close out here on the futures plus around $10,000, and then when the price rises to 0.19, I'll just exit without losses on the back, but as you can see, I haven't been given such a target yet. As you know, I had a goal to lock in $3,000. More precisely, not to lock in, the goal was $3,000. The goal here is to lock in. But because today is August 14th and I had a strict schedule, these kinds of timings, so if it's August 14th, that's it. I have to close. And as much as I want to, I don't want to. It's just, like a deal. Each deal should have an idea. So when you open a deal, it has an idea. If this concept is not working out, why persist in remaining in that posture? And yeah, gentlemen, do not pay attention to the fact that it is all dirty at the moment. We are outdoors, so it is not as if you truly care about your appearance. The primary concern for you is to simply concentrate on accomplishing tasks in the great outdoors. Anyway, I won't extend this deal more. You can see sometimes it's 3K, sometimes 2K. I'll just close it in the market for about $3K profit. Well, in short, that's about it for us. With this deal, yeah, of course, someone might say like $3,000 don't just fall from the sky. But yesterday in the video I showed you, it was you all saw for yourselves much more than what I had initially demonstrated to you. Well, what can you do? In short, I'm closing 180,000 on the market, okay, and now the candle is going down. Well, it didn't draw. I thought even for just 30 minutes something would work out. Well, you can congratulate, $3,000 was earned. Currently, these deals of mine are in the process of slowly closing. Well, that is the end result that is being achieved. I wanted, of course, a 10. I wanted to achieve this goal, but in any case, it's like subconsciously I've achieved it because I've already done something like that. Now, guys, just look at the beauty. We came here to relax our souls, to enjoy. Of course, I took my laptop with me to work on something in parallel. And with the FeedFi coin, they might pump it up before these news releases, before the unlocks. But guys, I had an idea. The idea, in fact, partially worked in the sense that yes, they started warming up with news. Yes, they started boosting the exchange rate. I think it's all clearly visible here, even on the chart. If you start from the very bottom, it was possible to take a clean 300% on the spot. But once again, I am telling you, when you look at the project, nothing really comes out of it. I mean, these purely bare websites seem to be just hanging on tilde. In short, what I want to say is that we earned well. Even complaining that $3,000 is little, no, it's not little. $3,000 can buy a car. It's approximately 1.5, 1.6 part of a car. It's fine, I think. So guys, I think I'll be wrapping up my video here. We might still achieve this goal, maybe even show it publicly, but for now, this is what we have, so be it. The idea didn't work out. We don't sit and wait. We're not greedy, because you could be sitting there thinking, yesterday it was 8, today it's 3, but you think you should wait a bit more. It will grow, but it might not grow at all, and then you'll just end up breaking even. If you're lucky, if you don't set your stop loss, you might end up not being liquidated at all. I've fallen for that trick before. I do have some experience in my head, so I don't want to deal with such nonsense anymore, and I wouldn't advise you to either. Something separate is desired. Separate, it's something that doesn't need to be overthought. There's an idea, worked out, there's an idea, didn't work out, all okay, just close it as it is. Alright guys, I'll be wrapping it up here. I hope the video turned out somewhat useful, perhaps even educational. Thanks to everyone for watching, and feel free to write something in the comments. Good luck to all, may you all profit, enjoy along with me. Good luck to everyone, bye for now.